Is Windows failing to load because of the Media Foundation Performance Helper DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. As we prepare to resolve Media Foundation Performance Helper, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Media Foundation Performance Helper. The Media Foundation Performance Helper. It manages the unmanaged collection of multimedia telemetry, facilitating the data link between audio and video streams and system performance manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the System File Checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Media Foundation Performance Helper DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Media Foundation Performance Helper component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Media Foundation Performance Helper DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping Media Foundation Performance Helper synchronized. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Media Foundation Performance Helper and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.